To assess the OneDrive recycle bin, start by understanding that OneDrive is a valuable tool for backing up important documents and various file types across multiple devices, keeping them safe and accessible in OneDrive folders unless they are accidentally deleted. To demonstrate this, navigate to the OneDrive dashboard and select a folder, such as the document folder, and delete files by choosing them and using the delete option from the top bar. After confirming the deletion, all selected files will be removed. To retrieve these deleted files, go to the left sidebar on the OneDrive page and select the Recycle Bin option, which may appear empty at first. However, by refreshing the tab, the deleted files will become visible. To restore these files, checkmark each one and then click the Restore option from the top bar. Once restored, the files can be found in their original location by navigating back to the Files option and selecting the relevant folder, such as the document folder, where all the previously deleted files will now be accessible again. This process effectively assesses and utilizes the OneDrive recycle bin to recover accidentally deleted files.